Sunsets on the lagoon, a dock to park your boat, and an incredible top floor, 3-bedroom, 3-bath, under $300,000 here on Ambergris Caye. Let me tell you more. Step inside and you'll be greeted by an open and bright living space, perfect for relaxing, hosting friends, or just soaking up the tropical breeze. This well-equipped kitchen blends style and functionality, making island living effortless. With 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, there's plenty of room for family, guests, or even rental opportunity if you'd like to long-term rent this property. You have a huge veranda spanning around 3 sides of the condo. From here, you have front row seats of the sunset, the lagoon, and over in front of me, there's the canal and amenities, including a pool and lounge area. With having a dock on site, that means your boat is always ready for your next adventure. Plus, the best part is the low HOA here. Set in San Pablo, this is a neighborhood that is predominantly middle class and upper middle class community. You have beautiful single family homes, a few condos in this area, but because of the access to the canal, which will ultimately get you out to the Caribbean, there's a big demand for this area. However, inventory remains limited. All of this for under $300,000, a price you almost never see for a top floor lagoon facing condo with boat parking. La Hacienda number 9, where the sunsets are free and the value is unbeatable. Contact us at Luna Realty Belize for a tour of this property. Whether you're here in person or you want to do a virtual tour, we can make either a reality for you.